When a roofing leak occurs, it may be easy to think that it was merely an isolated incident. After all, isn't it normal for roofs to have occasional drips? But the reality is that seemingly sporadic roof leaks can lead to more significant problems down the line, and necessitates immediate attention from a professional. Even one leak should not be taken lightly. The visibility of the problem usually indicates how severe it is. Over the course of time, the protection provided by roofs to businesses and their operations will start to diminish as they deteriorate and begin to let in rain and other inclement weather. Source of a roof leak. Have you encountered signs of water infiltration? Here are some more frequent properties that might be causing it. Incorrect roof positioning or workmanship. Crumbling, displaced, or blown-off tiles. Holes or tears in the outdoor roofing surface. Harm from severe weather conditions. Blockage in gutters, downspouts and drains. Discrepancies with flashing. General wear and tear due to aging roof. At times it can be tricky to identify the origin of an irregular roof leak. These leaks can remain unseen for days after a violent shower, or may not happen at all in similar weather conditions. For optimal results, immediately book a skilled roofer, like for Valor Roofing, to inspect the leak after you initially notice it. Securing the problem early is key to avoiding long-term damage. Engage a roofer as soon as you spot the leak so they can accurately trace its source while it is still wet. Additionally, even when the roof is not actively leaking, a roofing specialist should be able to detect signs like watermarks, stains, and dampness. If it is not addressed promptly, roof leakage can cause a variety of issues. Below are some of the common results of delaying repairs to a leaking roof. Discolored ceiling and wall paint. Injury to plaster and sheetrock surfaces. Growth of mold and fungi. A musty smell that lingers in the air. Decay of wooden components. Debasement of overall insulation. Harm to the roof's framework. A hastened wearing away of the roofing material. Left undiscovered, roof leaks can lead to serious problems. Even when they're not immediately visible, their effects can still be major. Water access can cause deterioration that you may not even be aware of. In addition, mold accumulation is a frequent result of unaddressed leaks, and if left unresolved can lead to yet more destruction down the road. To find out more by a pro, contact Hampton at For Valor Roofing in the St. Louis area at 314-399-4559. https://www.forvalorroofing.com